Racing just is started. We have Tabel break weak letter start rushing upon the outside. Asikuda all in comes next with victory. Master Kai then next online now is Daredevil, then followed over by entry number 5 Manager Francis. Down on the inside Security Magic. In between horses is Jet Setter Slim, while Hurricane Ali is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we are all in by about half length. Sweet Victory in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Asikuda. Moving up down on the inside is Security Magic. Daredevil comes next, and on the outside Master Guy, then comes Jet Setter Slim. Down on the inside Tabel, and on the outside is Manager Francis, while Hurricane Ali is still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have all in by about 2 lengths, and in second, Sweet Victory. Asikuda moving up now on the outside is Daredevil, then comes Security Magic, Manager Francis, Jet Setter Slim. Down on the inside, Hurricane Ali, Tabel, while Master Kai is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have all in by about 2 lengths, and in second is Asikuda, Hurricane Ali, and on the outside is Daredevil as 75 meters, all in, followed by Asikuda, Hurricane Ali, and finally all in Asikuda, Hurricane Ali, then comes Manager Francis, Daredevil.
86354 and official. All in. J.